Yunnan is one of China's rural regions facing energy issues. Because of its landscape, it is difficult to connect the region to the national grid to provide electricity. Therefore, locals exploit, for instance, firewood, charcoal, scrap, and gasoline. These sources of energy are highly polluting and damaging for the environment. That is why it is essential to find alternative energy resources that support the following criteria: affordable, easy to use, safe, environment-friendly, and efficient. Manure is common for areas like Yunnan, as farming is essential for most of the people to provide themselves with food and income. It can be hazardous for lives of people and animals because of its poisonous gases and microbes. However, if implemented in the right way, manure can be very useful as an energy source. Anaerobic digestion is a special technique to turn manure into valuable biomass, biogas, and leftover digestate. AD is processed under the impact of bacteria, where bacteria degrade the manure into biogas and solid leftover residue. Biogas consists of 40% of carbon dioxide and 60% of methane. Leftover digestate can be used as fertilizer. Combined heat and power plant is then filled with the biogas and turns it into heat and electricity. Combined heat and power is a new generation power generating system which integrates the production of usable heat and power in one single, highly efficient process. CHP generates electricity while also capturing usable heat that is produced in this process. This contrasts with conventional ways of generating electricity where vast amounts of heat are simply wasted. This means overall efficiency of CHP plants are up to 80%. The CHP burns biogas to heat water in order to power a steam turbine generator. The heated water will be connected to pipelines to heat villagers' homes during winter from November to February, as temperatures can drop to near 0 degrees Celsius. The electricity generated from the turbine will be supplied to the villagers' homes for lighting and other electrical appliances. Our solution is to combine anaerobic digestion and combined heat and power generator systems. The stakeholders are in general poor farmers with no technical knowledge. It will provide 6 to 7 houses with power, and they will cooperate on running the system by providing it with biomass. From our calculations, the total energy required in rural Yunnan is approximately 1,680 gigawatt-hours per year. Our AD and CHP system is able to provide this amount of energy with an additional surplus of about 634.4 gigawatt-hours. This surplus electricity can be used to charge batteries, which can then be sold for extra income. In conclusion, the combination of AD and CHP is desirable for the farmers of Yunnan because they get rid of the manure and in return receive electricity and heat. That will lead to fresher air, and the reduce in greenhouse gases will be beneficial for the environment. It is feasible and viable because the additional surplus of electricity and fertilizer can be used to pay back the loan taken to cover the initial cost of the system, after which villagers can continue to run this sustainable and environmentally friendly system for many years to come.